So hello everyone, myself advocate Gautam Harshwal, working at LEXIS and Company law firm as a junior associate. So today in this video I am going to discuss with you a very constitutional term which is being used in our constitution and as well as in many parliamentary debates and all that, which also plays a very important role in our Indian judiciary, right? So the term, as you read the title of this video, is double jeopardy and its constitutional values. So I am going to cover the whole the term double jeopardy in detail. So for that I am going to complete this in two parts of this video, or two parts basically this topic. So this is the first part of this video. Don't forget to watch the second part. I am going to post on the same channel, which will be the follow video of this video. So let's start our discussion without any further delay. So what is double jeopardy? You must heard that the double jeopardy means it is a legal conception. How it's a legal conception? It's basically that prevents a person from being tried or penalized twice for the same offense. Suppose you have committed an offense and you cannot be penalized for the same offense. Committed murder, suppose you cannot be penalized twice for the same offense, right? So that's all. That's what double jeopardy means. And it is a fundamental principle. It's a fundamental principle of criminal law designed to cover individuals from arbitrary use of state power and to ensure that they are not subordinated to multiple executions and corrections for the same crime. In India, the principle of double jeopardy is elevated in Article 20 clause 2 of the Constitution of India, which provides that no person shall be prosecuted and penalized for the same offense more than formally. And the principle of double jeopardy is of great significance in Indian legal system or in Indian judiciary. How? Because as it upholds the rights of citizens and prevents the abuse of state power, right? It also ensures that individuals or individualities are not subjected to multiple executions and corrections for the same crime, which would violate their right to a fair and trial and due process of the law, right? And further, the principle also promotes finality in legal proceedings, in legal proceedings, as it also prevents the state from retrying an existent for the same offense after they have been acquitted or condemned, right? Still there are some exceptions to the principle of double jeopardy in India. How there are exceptions, we are going to discuss in this video. And the first, so start from the first exception. What is the first exception of double jeopardy? The first exception is when a person has been acquitted of an offense on a technically similar as a procedural error or a basically on an error, right, in the charge sheet. In similar cases, a state may retry the person for the same offense, as the vindication was not grounded on the merits of the case, right? And so now I am going to discuss with you in this video the history of double jeopardy, the term double jeopardy. Basically, the origin of double jeopardy can be traced back in ancient times, when numerous legal systems had rules against retrying a person for the same offense. For example, in ancient Rome, the law of bis de idem re sit exio, which means no action can be taken doubly for the same thing, right, averted individualities from being tried doubly for the same crime. Also, under Jewish law, the principle of res judicata, which means a matter formally judged, right, banned for retrial of a person who had formally been acquitted or condemned of a crime, right? In English law, English common law system, what double jeopardy means is it's basically the principle double jeopardy was the first established in the 12th century. under the rule of auto-fois acquit, which means formally acquitted, a person who had been acquitted of a crime could not be retried, retried for the same offence. Still, this rule did not apply if the person had been condemned and sentenced, as they could be retried for the same offence if new evidence surfaced, right? So in the second part, so that's all about the first part of this video. In the second part of this video, I am going to discuss with you how parliamentary debates went away on this topic, what basically the discussions were being done on double jeopardy. So don't forget to watch that video on this channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.